Hello student, I am Rakhi teacher, and as we have discussed about the our first lesson name is growing plant. We have seen in that two topics like reproduction from seed and reproduction from other part of a plant. Now we will discuss the last two topic of the same lesson, that is crops and the ways to grow a healthy crops. Let's see. This is the last part of our lesson. So student, crops, what is mean by crop? Here I have written a definition for you. Crops means the plant that are grown in a specific area in a particular season, as you have seen in the field. In field, farmer grows, they produce in their field. Whatever the things are there, that is crops, like jowar crops, maize crops, the plant that are grown in a specific area in a particular season. There are also some seasons to grow a particular crops. So those are the crops. In that, two types of crops are there. As I told, it is in a particular season, like kharif crop and rabi crop. Kharif crop, that crop comes under the summer season and it is harvested in the winter season. Next, coming to the rabi crop. Rabi crop, the crops which are grown in winter season and those are harvested in summer season. So this is about the crops, means whatever we are growing in our field, whatever the produce we are getting in the field, as we have seen the production. So coming to the field. Now what about the field? Who is doing this farming and all? This farming and everything on a large scale, what is done? That is called agriculture. Agriculture means a practice of growing crops on a large scale is called agriculture. क्रॉप्स जहाँ पे हम बहुत ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा खेती करते हैं, उस सभी जगह को हम वो प्रैक्टिस को हम एग्रीकल्चर कहते हैं. जैसे बहुत सारी मुर्गियाँ एक साथ रखते हो, उसे पोल्ट्री फार्म कहते हैं. जैसे हनी जहाँ पे हम हनी की फार्मिंग करते हैं, उसे एपीकल्चर कहते हैं. ऐसी हर चीज़ अलग अलग प्रैक्टिसेस को एक नाम दिया जाता है पर्टिकुलर. Here we have given the agriculture. The practice of growing crops on a large scale is called agriculture. Like you have seen crops, types of crops and agriculture in this. Like kharif crops. Kharif crops, for example, we can take rice, maize, jowar, bajra. These are all kharif crops. And rabi crops. Rabi crop, those who are grown in the winter season, like cauliflower, pea, beans. These comes in a winter season. This all about the crops and the agriculture. Next, हमने खेती तो कर ली, पर खेती हेल्दी तो होनी चाहिए. It must be healthy, because if the crops and the seeds are not healthy, we are not going to get a good produce. So for that, what all the things are essential for the healthy crops? What all the things are essential? अगर हमें खाना अच्छा खाएंगे तो our health will be very good if we eat a healthy food. Same way for the crops also. They also need a healthy seed, good water, good soil, their fertilizer, everything they need. Then only we can get a good produce. Let's see what all the ways to get a healthy crop. So first one, use healthy seeds. Why healthy seeds? So as you are taking a healthy seed, as you take some seed, if you put the seed in the water, as I have explained you in the previous video, if you take some seeds or something in a water, some seeds floats on water and some submerged in the waters. Those who floats in the water, they are not healthy seeds. So you thrown it away. But जो सीड्स सबमर्ज होते हैं वाटर, जो अंदर बैठ जाते हैं, वो हेल्दी सीड्स होते हैं जो हम सॉ कर सकते हैं सॉइल में. नेक्स्ट, प्रिपेयर द सॉइल प्रॉपरली. मीन्स हाउ प्रिपेयर द सॉइल प्रॉपरली मीन्स व्हाट? प्रिपेयर द सॉइल मीन्स अगर ये सॉइल है, डायरेक्टली यू सॉ द सीड, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. For that you have to loosen the soil. उसको आपको सॉइल को लूजन करना पड़ेगा ना। जैसे खेती में लोग हल चलाते हैं, वो मिट्टी बाहर निकालते हैं, दैट इज़ द, तो आपको वो सॉइल लूज करनी पड़ती है ताकि उसमें यू कैन सॉ द सीड्स। ओके, सो प्रिपेयर द सॉइल प्रॉपरली टिल यू गॉट इट। नेक्स्ट, आफ्टर प्रिपेयरिंग द सॉइल व्हाट यू विल डू, एड मैन्योर और फर्टिलाइज़र टू द सॉइल। आप उसके ऊपर मैन्योर फर्टिलाइज़र जो भी है वो डालते हो, लाइक मैन्योर और फर्टिलाइज़र। मैन्योर, उसमें फर्टिलाइज़र में भी इनऑर्गेनिक फर्टिलाइज़र है, ऑर्गेनिक फर्टिलाइज़र है। ऑर्गेनिक मीन्स व्हाट, जो काऊ डंग है, जो खाद हमें घर के कंपोस्ट से बन के मिलती है वो ऑर्गेनिक, और जो शॉप्स में मिलती है लाइक केमिकल्स यूज़ होता है दैट इज़ इनऑर्गेनिक। सो दैट इज़ वेरी हार्मफुल, लाइक फैक्ट्रीज उसे बनाती है, दैट पोल्यूट्स द एयर ऑल्सो एंड दैट इज़ वेरी डेंजरस ऑल्सो फॉर आवर सॉइल। So always use organic fertilizers. So next coming to irrigate the soil. So आपने अपनी बीज तो सॉ कर दी, whatever the seeds you have sown, but for that you need the irrigations also, as I told in the previous video. Irrigation means water supply. जैसे आपके book page number 9 there is a one picture of irrigation, that is water supply. दैट आपको उसके वाटर सप्लाई भी, उसे पानी, जैसे हम खाना पानी सब लेते हैं, सेम वे प्लांट्स को भी दे नीड्स अ वाटर टू प्रिपेयर देयर फूड. सो यूज, नेक्स्ट इज यूज इंसेक्टिसाइड एंड पेस्टिसाइड्स टू किल द पेस्ट. आफ्टर दैट अगर आपकी खेती बढ़ गई है, लाइक खेती मतलब आपके जो प्लांट है, क्रॉप्स है, दैट हैज़ ग्रोन, नाउ to protect it from weeds like insects, worms, rat and many more. So for that you put on the insecticide, जो फवारनी करते हैं insecticide, pesticide, ताकि कोई disease हमारे plants को ना हो. So these are the ways to grow a healthy crops. Till here you understood? Now after that, अब क्रॉप्स तो हो गए, उसका प्रोटेक्शन भी हो गया है फ्रॉम रैट, इंसेक्ट एंड एवरीथिंग. नाउ आफ्टर दैट you have to remove all the crops, all the produce from your field, from your land. So what you will do? After that the harvesting part comes. As you harvest that, and it should be harvested properly. Harvested means उसे काट के बाहर निकालना. हम जो खेती में से अनाज बाहर निकालते हैं, that is the harvesting. Next, on the last topic of our lesson, that is storage of crops. मीन्स अगर आपने पूरी खेती हो गई है, आपको ग्रेन्स भी मिल गए हैं, जो भी आपने सॉ किया था, यू गॉट अ गुड प्रोड्यूस ऑफ इट, बट अनलेस एंड अनटिल आप उसे अच्छे से स्टोर नहीं करोगे, यू वोंट स्टोर इट प्रॉपरली, इट कुड नॉट मेंटेन फॉर इट्स लाइफ, लॉन्ग लाइफ. So what you have to do, that means you have to keep it in a good, well ventilated rooms, and it should be filled up in a bags, jute bags. Before we are using jute bags, now you can see many other things that we can store the grains and all. Some like people are making a storage on a large scales, like there is a godowns, granary shops. This is everything. This is the storage, how you make the storage of your produce, and this is all about our lessons. So till here, and here we end our lesson with covering each and every points from our first lesson, growing plants. So student, just do one thing, go through the lesson once, read each and every topic of this lesson and try to understand it. See the videos first, second, third. Within 3 to 4 videos we have end up with this lesson. So what all you have to do for the homework, that you have to read this lesson, you have to understand it, and lastly you have to write the terms in your notebook. Try to learn the terms as early as possible, and this is the homework for today's. Thank you.